Okay, Motorheads, another short video. I just want to walk you through how I'm going to figure out how much to take off of the long side axle shaft on this Dana 60 front. All right, Motorheads. Well, just give you a quick overview on the measurement I'm taking here. So I have this long, flexible machinist scale in there. And I had a magnetic angle finder that I knocked to the ground. But basically, I'm just buttoning that machinist scale up to a machine surface. Poke my head in and look square. This angle finder is just a reference on that flat edge. I'm at 3.60, probably plus or minus a 32nd of an inch. Close enough. So I think I mentioned the shaft is all the way seated there. This is the uncut shaft on the uncut side. All right, Motorheads, so here I've got the long side shaft pulled all the way in. I've got my square butted up to a flat surface. I'm just going to take my machinist scale, put it flat on the shaft, and my measurement is about 7.65. Make sure I'm holding that really flat. Yeah, just about 7.65. So I had tried to cut 4 inches off the housing. I maybe cut 4.05 off the housing, judging by this, or maybe there's just some variance in the shafts. But at any rate, I'm going to take 4.05 inches of length off of the shaft and put my scale up there, and you can see that's going to be just about where the seal had been running on there. So just a quick video just to show you how I was figuring this out. There's a lot of other ways to figure this out. If you go to any of the places that cut custom length axle shafts, they usually have some specific instructions for measuring. And if you're buying shafts from them, I recommend you follow their recommendation. But that's all I got for now. All right, say goodbye, Farley.